In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 strategies that can help you increase sales in your new business. The first strategy is to promote your sales section specifically. So if you have a sales section on your website, it's likely that the inventory in that section includes items that did not sell maybe as best as you thought they would, or the item is about to go out of style or out of trend. So if that's the case and you want to get rid of those items and you don't want to keep them there any longer than you have to, it's a great strategy for you to specifically promote your sales section. Inventory is money. So the longer you have inventory, whether it's in the sales section or in the general section of your website, that's money that could have been used in your business. Begin to send out those emails specifically mentioning your sales section and all of the benefits of the products that are in there. This is also when you would go ahead to create promotions that would either include or focus on the sales section. So you would create a promotion where customers that buy sale items may maybe receive an additional discount. So this can look like allowing customers to add an additional 40% off or 20% off on sale items. Or this can look like encouraging customers to add an item from your sales section into their order with their regular full price items. Or you can host a flash sale on your sales section where you would send out those SMS blasts, send out those email blasts. So your items have already been marked down, but you can mark them down even more. But you put a time limit on that flash sale and it could last from anywhere between 24 hours or 48 hours. Regardless of what the strategy is that you decide to use, the whole purpose is to promote the sales section specifically. Sales sections are not the sections that customers usually are interested in. Although there are customers that strategically go to the sales section first, customers are likely to more so gravitate towards your new arrivals and any other bundle deals or offers you may have. So go heavy with the promotion of your sales section. Also, promoting your sales section is going to be even more particularly important, and it will help you making sure you offload that inventory if your products are perishable. So items can be perishable when they are organically made. I know a lot of you guys have organically made products such as body butters, body balms, conditioners, leave-in conditioners. All of those items, if they are organic, are perishable at some point in time. So if you have perishable items as part of the suite of products that you offer, it will be a good strategy for you to consistently promote your sales sections regardless of what that item is, because there is a time cap on how long these items can be available for purchase. The second strategy that can really help you to increase your sales, and it may not be immediately, although it can be, is social proof. Social proof is king. So when you're just starting out and not many people know about your business, social proof is going to be that thing that helps customers that are on the fence about your products, or customers that are genuinely interested and just want to get some feedback from other individuals that maybe have the same problem that your product claims to solve, or maybe have the same desires that your product claims to invoke. If that's the case, social proof is important and should be something that you should focus on heavily. When you're just starting out, you need to be collecting customer reviews and feedback as soon as possible. So here's why social proof is so important. Social proof is important for two main things. Firstly, it allows you as a business owner and a person that's either creating the products from scratch or sourcing them from a vendor to get really good feedback on the product itself. So maybe the customer was pleased with their purchase, but they would have appreciated if X, Y, and Z was added to the product or not added to the product. Or if it's a product that you source from a vendor, maybe the customer would have appreciated that order even more if something additional was added to it. So it's a bit of research and allows you as a business owner to make better decisions when it comes to the creation of products or the sourcing of products. So that's one of the main reasons why social proof is important, and that's more so for you as the business owner. The second reason why social proof is important is because it adds to the overall validity of your brand and your products. This is especially the case if your products claim to solve a specific problem. So eczema, acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, these are claims where you are saying that you can either help to eradicate it completely or you can help to solve or minimize that situation. So if this is the case, social proof will act as a help or an additional factor that will allow customers to understand that yes, this is a product that's worth investing in, and they'll be more likely to purchase. Even if your product does not solve a specific problem, you can still gather social proof on something called its secondary benefits. These secondary benefits can help validate your products and help you to make sales. This can look like a lip gloss with a really great smell, and a customer leaves a review hinting to the smell, the feel, and the less tackiness or stickiness of the lip gloss. This can also look like a clothing boutique that received a review for a piece of clothing that felt really good or felt really thick, or it felt good when putting it on. Or it can be a lash brand where a customer leaves a review hinting to the fact that the lashes are actually feathery and that it lasts. This can even work for a beauty business, for example, that sells makeup accessories such as brushes or cup holders or makeup brush cleaners, and the review can be left mentioning that the item itself matches their personal style and that's something that they appreciated. Or even if you sell slimming teas, for example, where the main and core benefit of the tea is to help with your digestion and to help with your overall weight loss, if a customer leaves a review about the taste of it or the amount of potency with the actual tea, that can help a customer make up their decision with whether or not they would want to make a purchase. So that can help your sales overall. So as you can see with these examples, it's important to get reviews on the actual purpose of the item, but it's just as beneficial to get reviews where customers also speak to other qualities of your products. And all of these reviews, regardless of the type, can help you with sales. So if you haven't as yet, you need to, as soon as possible, set up a customer review system. This can be something that you set up automatically with an app into your Shopify website, or this can be something where you manually chase down those leads and chase down the reviews and ask customers about their experience with the product. And that actually may be just as good as the automatic review capture process, because you'll be able to ask specific questions to a customer. The third strategy that you can consider when trying to increase your sales as a new business is to focus on your past customers. Your past customers are your best customers because they're your easiest customers to convert to another sale. Your past customers are so much more easier to convert because they've worked with your brand, they've experienced your sales process, they know how your website looks, and they're familiar with you maybe on a personal level through your social media platforms or just in general with the brand, and they had a positive experience with your product. Keep in touch with them and deliver as much value as you can to them on social media and off of social media. This will help you to maintain that relationship that you have with them, so that when a product comes out, maybe it's a new product or a restock of an item, they'll be more inclined to buy, which can help with your sales. When you begin to focus on your past customers, what it does is it invokes the strategy of reciprocity, where when you do something for somebody, they'll be more inclined to do something for you. And that is kind of play when you focus on your past customers, because they begin to build some rapport with you, between you and your brand, and they are more likely to either purchase from you, which is great, or they are likely to refer you to other people that may have either a similar problem that your product solves or have a similar desire which your product entices. So here are the three types of past customers that you want to focus on. You want to focus on just the general past customers. So these are persons that made one purchase from your website. They've purchased with you before, so you still want to give them some extra value. The second type of past purchasers is your repeat purchases. You want to treat those people different, and you want to make sure you monitor their purchases so you can get a better understanding of them. And then the third type of past purchaser that you want to focus on is your big spenders, or what I like to call my VIP spenders, right? So you want to target them in a specific way, because those three individuals are different. Although they are all past customers, they're different for different reasons, and so they should be targeted and nurtured in different ways. Past customers are really underrated. All you need is 500 customers to spend $200 over the period of the year with your business in order for you to make six figures. This becomes doable when you nurture your past customers. So if you basically can get someone to come back to your business 3 times and spend $65 to $66 every time they come back to your business, and you have 500 people repeating that action, you can make six figures in your business. The fourth strategy that can help you increase your sales is to promote your email list. Not get email marketing in general, but to promote your email list. So you've already gotten your marketing platform together, the email marketing platform, and now you need to promote it, meaning you basically need to remind people to join your email list. If you don't consistently remind people to join your email list, they're going to forget to join your email list. You have to do it on a regular basis. Your business is not the only business that your ideal customer will encounter over a period of day or over a period of time. And whether you believe it or not, new people come across your business every day, and they don't know anything about your email list, so they need to be informed as well. So you need to be promoting your email list regularly for the existing audience that you have and for the new audience that comes across your business every day. Emails sent equals sales made. The reason why our inboxes are flooded with emails from all sorts of businesses is because email marketing works. So you need to be promoting your email list as much as possible. If you're just starting out and you're hesitant to get onto the email train and you're thinking to yourself that it may not be as beneficial as everybody says it is, I want you to think about it not as you switching to email marketing as your sole source of sales, but an additional source of sales. So you're still going to continue to promote your business in person and on social media and via whatever paid paths that you take, but you have email marketing on the top of that to help you to reach your sales goals. Think about it as a way to get in front of all of the audience members that maybe did not see your Instagram posts, they did not see your stories, and they did not see your reels. Your emails is another chance to target them and let them see what it is that you wanted them to know. And if you're wondering that maybe you are talking too much about your email list and people are getting tired of you mentioning your email list, that more than likely is not the case. The reason why you feel as if you're talking about your email list a lot is because you're talking about your email list a lot. You hear yourself talking about it a lot, so it sounds like it's a lot to you, but to everybody else, it's not. So here's the recap. Sales section, social proof, past customers, promote your email list. These 4 strategies on top of everything you're doing right now can help you increase your sales in your business. I really hope this video helped. If it did, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, but only if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment if you want to, and don't forget to check the description box below for additional information.